28.258, 28.550, 31.140, 31.884. Fastest lap by Aaron, 15.191 seconds. Fastest lap by Hayden, 15.091 seconds. Daniel's best lap, 16.601 seconds. 47. Hayden takes the lead. 13.377. Daniel's best lap, 16.499 seconds. Currently in first place, Hayden with 3 laps, followed by Daniel in second place with 3 laps. Aaron in third place with 2 laps. Daniel takes the lead. Daniel's best lap, 13.712 seconds. 17.925. Nathan's best lap, 30.746 seconds. Hayden takes the lead. Hayden's best lap, 12.888 seconds. 16.099. Aaron's best lap, 13.984 seconds. 16.726. 14.123. Hedley's best lap, 15.571 seconds. Daniel's best lap, 12.648 seconds. 15.073. 15.5. Daniel takes the lead. 13.766. 16.222. Currently in first place, Daniel with 7 laps, followed by Hayden in second place with 7 laps. Aaron and Hayden takes the lead. 14.172. 18.633. Aaron's best lap, 13.564 seconds. 15.028. 13.729. 13.061. 23.651. 17.071. 13.776. 13.070. 13.731. Hedley's best lap, 13.974 seconds. 13.669. 13.872. 13.004. Fastest lap by Daniel, 2 minutes remaining. 16.554. Currently in first place, Hayden with 11 laps, followed by Daniel in second place with 11 laps, Aaron in third place with 10 laps, Ricky in fourth place with 10 laps. 15.681. 16.984. 12.921. 15.048. 15.359. 14.709. 19.546. 18.115. 13.138. 14.809. 15.934. 14.911. 17.527. 14.958. 14.491. 16.855. 33.1 minute remaining. Currently in first place, Hayden with 15 laps, followed by Daniel in second place with 15 laps, Ricky in third place with 14 laps, Aaron in fourth place with 14 laps. 17.749. 13.089. 18.527. 15.564. 17.112. 12.930 seconds remaining. 21.595. Hayden's best lap, 12.806 seconds. 13.817. 18.488. 17.241. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fastest lap by Hayden, 12.344 seconds. 13.395. Time limit reached. Complete your final lap. 15.229. 13.300. 19.722.